Hello everyone, another day, another legal learning. Exigency of service. Unsa na siya? Naa na siya legal basis? Exigency of service is a legal doctrine rooted from our Philippine Constitution, the Civil Service Rules, Administrative Code, and in our case, DepEd Order. Unsay meaning sa exigency of service? This is the urgent and the compelling needs of a public office or public service that justifies personal movement, or the denial of leave, provided that dili ni siya punitive in nature or punishment. And also, nakatranscribe siya into reasonable, fair, and in good faith. So what are the legal bases of exigency of service? Number one, the Philippine Constitution. It is found in Article 11, Section 1 that states public office is a public trust, meaning kita, public servant man ta, we must prioritize service to our constituent. Number two, the Civil Service Commission rules under the Omnibus Rules on Leave. It states that leave may be denied if the exigency of service requires personnel's presence. Thirdly, Administrative Code of 1987. It is under Executive Order 292 na ga-empower sa head agencies to make personal movement in the exigency of service. Mo ni siyang, in our case, na ay mga mag-reshuffling ang principal from one station to the other, or some master teachers will be transferred from one station to the other because of exigency of service. And lastly, DepEd Order. Example, DepEd Order number 2, series of 2005, about leave. Leave still be denied or can be denied by the head of office if exigency of service needed na ang personnel na agin siya sa iyahang station. So basta ato lang yung timan-an na ang exigency of service kinahanglan dili siya punitive or dili siya form of punishment sa empleyado. So kinahanglan gid siya na it is fair, reasonable, and in good faith gid ang pag-transfer or pag-deny sa leave by the head of office. So I hope this video helps us understand unsa na exigency of service. If you want to learn more videos about educational law, please follow, like, and share for more updates. Again, thank you so much for watching and God bless.